Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to mute calls and ringtone from a specific chat on Gmail. In this updated guide, we will walk you through the steps to easily mute notifications from a specific chat in the Gmail app on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your Android device. This can be done by locating the Gmail app icon and tapping on it to open the application. Step 2. Once the Gmail app is open, locate the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the chat icon to access your chats. Step 3. Next, open the chat that you want to mute notifications from. You can do this by tapping on the chat to open it and view the conversation. Step 4. Once you have the chat open, tap on the contact name at the top of the screen. This will bring up a menu with options related to the chat. Step 5. In the menu, tap on the option that says Mute. This will mute all notifications, including calls and ringtones, from the specific chat that you have selected. And there you have it. You have successfully muted calls and ringtone from a specific chat on Gmail. Thank you for watching our tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy muting!